Are you curious about sliding patio doors and what they can offer your Langhorne, Pennsylvania home? These are some frequently asked questions and their answers. Are sliding patio doors safe? These doors have come a long way since they were first introduced. They now have improved locking systems. Some even have multi-point locking systems. They are designed so they cannot be removed from the outside. Are all patio doors the same size? There is no standard size for patio doors. When choosing your new patio door, it's essential to have the exact measurements to ensure it will fit the current opening. Your Bucks County patio door contractor will know exactly how to obtain these measurements. What type of patio door is best for cold weather? Because of its design, a sliding patio door is ideal for cold weather. You don't have to worry about snowdrifts against the glass when you need to open the door. These doors are designed to have excellent energy efficiency to keep your home comfortable. When you're ready to choose a new patio door, turn to Rosenello's Windows in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Call us at 215-244-3993 to schedule a free estimate.